Hi everyone, Miss Janine here, your grade 7 science teacher. For our today's science tutorial, we will discuss the differences between an element and compound. Are you ready to learn with me? Let's start! Any substance that has mass and takes up space by having volume is considered as matter. From the buildings in the city, the vehicles, the trees, animals, air, clouds, and even people are considered as matter. Matter can be classified into two, pure substance and mixture. Pure substance has a constant composition, meaning it has a uniform appearance and cannot be separated into two or more substances by physical means. While mixture is the total opposite of it, since it is made up of two or more substances and can be separated by physical means. In this video, we are going to focus on the pure substance, which can be further classified into two, the element and compound. The element is said to be the simplest pure substance, which contains one kind of atom. An atom is the smallest unit of matter. There are a total of 118 elements in the entire planet, which are organized and arranged in a periodic table. The elements in the periodic table are arranged into periods and groups. There are 7 periods which can be seen in a horizontal row on a periodic table. On the other hand, a total of 18 groups are arranged in a vertical column. Some of the most common elements found inside our human body are the oxygen, carbon, and hydrogen. Let us now move on with compound. It is made up of two or more elements which are chemically combined. An example of a compound is water. Two different elements such as hydrogen and oxygen are chemically combined. In our example, 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom are two different elements combined to form a water compound. A compound is classified into two based on the presence of an element, which is carbon. Organic compounds are substances which contain carbon, commonly coming from living matter, while inorganic compounds are substances that do not contain carbon and are usually found outside the body. Example number 1 is methane. This is a compound in the form of gas that is found in small quantities in Earth's atmosphere. Notice that it is composed of 1 carbon atom and 4 hydrogen atoms. Methane is an organic compound since it contains carbon. Example number 2 is ammonia. This is a compound in the form of a colorless gas with a distinct odor and a key component in the manufacture of many products people use every day. It is a combination of 1 nitrogen atom and 3 hydrogen atoms. It doesn't contain any carbon atom, thus, it is an inorganic compound. Here's the differences between an element and compound. That's it! Let's have a quick recap. In this video, we've discussed the two different types of pure substance, which are the element and compound. Now, let's try answering a 5-item quiz about element and compound. You have a minute to answer. Good luck! Time's up. Let's check if your answers are correct. That's the end of our science tutorial. I hope that you've learned a lot and see you soon. Thank you for watching.